Kubor nakaslem jong unong san Hima.
Unong shna plim but nong shna jingruai jong ki babun ki plim hapo ka thain South India ya walatip kerteng kumo Hemanandh velayudham ubalong ru utrai jong ka moon digital kabalong ka waini ki company pinmi ye ki plim but ki jingruai kabadan hanong ba New Delhi habakren hangani ka sngi ulapan sngo ye ki jing respa jong ka jala Meghalaya but kadai ka sin ka baningkong yu ban sakhi dala ki jong ki khman hagabe dei but ka riti ka dustur jong ki Khasi but Donkam ban Pynpaw Pyrthei ka Kolshor jong ki Khasi sheki benta ba pher jong ka ri India ki bempat tip shaphang jong ka habakren shaphang ka kam shna film ulaong bakum kinong shna film kiele ban Pynpaw Pyrthei ka aka ka badon bat ka bajia hapo ki imnang ka salang u Hemanandh udai u bapule ya kalan medical henry hadin ka jingkwa ban long utaw nong shna film bat ru nong penmi film ula no ya ka jingpule ban long kumu doctor but menta ula long kumu weni kinong shna film but nong shna jingrwai ru ula ya shim bentaru hagani ka film cafe dukansha kumu weni ki ting shop but ya ka film la penmi hagi lain tali ki jaktin kata hakaktin Khasi Hindi but Tamil shushu hagani ka snile dan langru weni ki klor ak film jong kari u Anurag Jain u bara shim ni ka benta ban ai kublai ki nong penyat ki bara ibit yu ban ak hagani ka film but ubala khot but where you pat ba ban one page jaga ni ka film khanang ban yo yaga jing sneng ka badon kam.
Hi, I'm Hemanandh. I'm a music composer and filmmaker, and I'm a founder of Moon Digital, a film and music production company based in Delhi, and we are having another outlet in Chennai also. We are having most of the collaborations happen in Chennai right now, and presently we are at Shillong, and we did the movie with the audio tech. Like as a producer, I would like to say that there is a lot of scope for the collaboration because the tradition is very rich. Every tradition is having their own value. This Khasi tradition, this is the first time I just met the Khasi guy, my friend Mr. Hemanandh. He just came for just having a technical collaboration in our studio, and I came to know about this tradition. So this tradition is untouchable. There are a lot of, in many states, there are a lot of things being untouchable nowadays. So I found this tradition needs to be projected in front of the society, other parts of the India. So that is the motto that every producer has to go to the different diversions and explore the hidden things, unsung, you can say unsung heroes many times. The same thing is there are many places which are not being touched by the filmmakers. So that needs to be projected as a producer, and also the story needs to be told through the medium that is film, cinema, because cinema is having a lot of value, and cinema will like give a different vertical to the society. And so that's what, as a producer, we are having a responsibility, and as a filmmaker, I am telling you, we are having a responsibility to project the reflection of the society, whatever we are just having and experiencing. So some people can't able to say, as a general audience, they are facing a lot of issues and there are a lot of things needs to be say, but they couldn't able to say because they don't having a power to say. The media is having a very good power, and as a filmmaker, being a medical student, I just left all my educations, and being in the cinema industry, I have a huge responsibility to give some insights, what is the problem that the society is facing, and we need to project in a very positive way, and the solution is different because people has to take, it's their own perception how they are going to take this to the next level. Yeah, this is my first collaboration with Meghalaya. Even then I don't know, only I'm from South, being from South, I only saw that Meghalaya is in the map. Right, I never been to northeast part of India in my life, though I worked with many parts. This is my first collaboration with Meghalaya, and it's quite different experience, and I feel very satisfied. And for the last 18 months, we have been working with them, and there are a lot of ups and downs in a project. You know, it's naturally it happens, but ultimately at the end of the day, the results are very, you can say, fruitful, and the people are quite supporting us. So that's a good thing with the Meghalaya. So the movie has been initially prepared in Hindi language, and then we are just dubbed in Khasi, and it is going to be there in Tamil language. And now the movie is getting released in theaters, and in the coming days it is going to be there in OTT platforms. So only we focus only 3 languages. Acting is a natural thing. There is as far as cinema is concerned, art is concerned. Art is not come from school. Art is an inbuilt human thing. So it's natural process. It's coming. The biggest advantage in Northeast India is the people are very musical oriented. They are every house they are been into music. They are breathing music, and they just wake up with the music. So the music is an art. Any form of art, if you can learn, you can excel in any other parts of the thing. Naturally, I have been started my career as a music composer. Now I have been shifted in acting, and I have been in other technical aspects for the last 14 years. I have analyzed that if you are proper in one form of art, you can excel at anything. So as far as the artistic quality is concerned, they are up to the mark, I could say, even though they are freshers. The only part is that everything will come up naturally when we are doing something on daily basis, and then only things will grow. So as a startup, we thought quite satisfied with the actors, and all actor and actors are very cooperative with the Hindi language. The main basic thing is that being a South Indian, being from a Tamil background, and the people from a Khasi background, we did the movie in Hindi. So this is the biggest thing. The first time in India, naturally we just gone through the Hindi only. We didn't mix up with Tamil. We didn't mix up anything, just like that. So for us too, it's like a win-win always, because this is our achievement, I could say. So I've been mostly started my career in the year 2007. Since then, we work for many corporate films, cinema. Like we work for promotional movies, more than 300 movies, and then more than 500 jingles I did for the industry. And then as far as the big screen cinema is concerned, I mostly work with as a ghost music producer. So most of the cinemas I work like as a ghost cinema filmmaker, and then I work for many songs, even then ghost also. So in the entertainment industry, the biggest disadvantage is that even though your talent is not going to work until unless if you are not going to take the risk at an extreme level. So whatever the risk which we have taken as an extreme level as an independent filmmaker. We have produced our independent film. So that's why we could able to achieve that particular positions. Like same way I have worked for many movies, and one of the recent movie I worked as a sound engineer for the White Tiger, that is Oscar nominated movie. People might know. So I've been worked as a sound engineer in that movie, and also one of the Hollywood movie I recently worked, but it's not yet released. So that also, and then beyond that I have worked for many Hollywood, Bollywood movies, as well as Tollywood collaborations in Tamil industry and even in Hindi industry. As far as this project is concerned, we are quite satisfied, and we need to understand, actually, and the point is that I need to understand what the demand is, what the people's demand is, what the people are into, what are the challenges the people are facing in Meghalaya. I need to address this as a issue and coming up with a solution. It's not only we are just addressing the issue, that's all that what is over, that we need to give some kind of solution that people can accept and adapt. So in such a way, some planning is going on in the coming days, and we would like to go for another project with the same team, with Meshak Nanstang and Monica Rinja of Audio Tech. So the talk is going on. I feel blessed, I could say. I'm standing here, I feel very blessed to be the part of this Meghalaya. And once I went to the Kongtong village, I felt like these are the languages which we didn't know. It's not even written in the textbooks of our classroom textbooks. So there are a lot of things needs to be explored. I only visited very, very few places, not even touched even 5% of Meghalaya, I could say. So I feel very enjoyable, and these all are the things needs to be projected in front. As a music composer, I am telling you, we had a plan. We just want to project the folk music of India. We had a plan, some plan is going on with the other people. The folk, these things, the culture is getting deteriorated. This needs to be like conserved in the coming days, so that our next generation may take it forward, as well as the next generation came to know that okay, these kind of things has been existed in our state. So that thing I may request the authorities, I may request, you can say that the concerned departments has give us an opportunity to us so that we can explore and we can conserve the traditions which is existing in Meghalaya. Yeah, already some parts of India it's going on, especially in Tamil industry which I am speaking about. One of my friend is working for the Tamil folk song, he is conserving the folk music. So in such a way, because since the people here are very good at music, they are rich in music in the other parts of India when compared, because I as a music composer I work for many musicians. Here the musicians are like in a different way, like they are more emotional, right? The people are very emotional. That's what I could find. And the best part is we don't have any fear. I have been traveled in Meghalaya many places. I don't have a fear that I am going in the night and just like that, because they are coming and helping and they are asking the help in the villages, in the remote villages, and they have guided us not to go this area, not to go that area. That is a very good thing. So in some areas I just experience very good, and some other areas people has acknowledged us also. So quite good so far. I have no expectations about in this film. We prepare the film and it has left to the audience. The audience are the boss, and as an outsider I came and the people have supported us in the process of shooting, and I also expect the same, that you could come in the theaters and go through the cinema. As far as this particular storyline is concerned, we have just targeted the coming entrepreneurs, like a lot of budding entrepreneurs are coming up in Meghalaya, and they are collaborating with other states also. How the environment is nowadays deteriorating and the environmental problem is coming up. We are living in a metro city in Delhi. We know how it's very difficult to breathe. In the coming days, it should not happen to this land. So the people must make sure that though you allow the people come and explore and then they can enjoy the moments, but they should not capture the land and they just spoil the environment so that the coming generation won't get a good air. Without air, without natural resources, we can't go further. So the motto is that in the hospitality industry has to take this responsibility, as the people are already taking this responsibility. I've seen many places, and the tribal people are taking the responsibility. And so that is the thing which we have focused on in this movie. So it's my pleasure and privilege to be there in Meghalaya and completed the project and successfully got released in theaters. Now it's running in Anjali Cinema. I request all the people to come and support. As an outsider, I have done a little bit job, whatever I know about Meghalaya. Though there is any mistakes, please forgive us. And in the coming days we will do something good also. And also the movie is going to get released in the coming days in Biju Cinema, 4 shows. So all your supports is required. And also one more thing, like the people who are from Tamil Nadu who are staying here, I want to give some message in Tamil. எல்லாருக்கும் வணக்கம். யாரெல்லாம் நம்ம தமிழ்நாட்டிலேருந்து மேகாலயாவில் வந்து இருக்கீங்களோ, நான் ஒரு தமிழன் அங்கேருந்து வந்து இங்கே ஒரு மேகாலயாவில் வந்து முதல் படம் டெபியூ பண்ணியிருக்கேன் ஒரு மியூசிக் கம்போசர் ஆக்டராக. உங்களுடைய சப்போர்ட் எனக்கு வேணும். எல்லோரும் வந்து கண்டிப்பாக பிஜு அஞ்சலி சினிமாவில் ஃபிலிம் போயிட்டுருக்கு. டிசம்பரில் பிஜுவில் வரும். நீங்கள் எல்லாம் வந்து சப்போர்ட் பண்ணணும். I would request all the Tamil audience, those who are staying in Meghalaya, will come and support, as I came from South India and debut in Meghalaya. It's a great blessings. So the Meghalaya people has supported and they have trusted me. They have given me an opportunity to debut as a producer, as an actor and a music composer. And we should, the people, those who are staying in Meghalaya, also come and support. And the culture needs to grow well with a very good friendship. And I need all your blessings, and from the local people as well as the outsiders. Thank you so much.
मैं अनुराग कुमार जैन दिल्ली फरीदाबाद से हूँ, और मैंने 1977 में एक कोर्स किया था फिल्म्स का, एक्टिंग एंड डायरेक्शन में. उसके बाद 40 साल मैंने फिर ये काम नहीं किया, जस्ट फॉर बेटर. हमें ये मौका नहीं मिला, अपनी फैमिली में लग गए. 40 साल बाद करीब हमें कुछ पैशन आया मन में और हमने अपना बिज़नेस छोड़ दिया. इसके बाद मैं इस फील्ड में आया और मैंने एक फ़िल्म बनाई जस्ट फॉर दोबारा से कम बैक करने के लिए, हम तीन हमारे तीन. वो इतनी अच्छी नहीं बनी होगी, वो चली थोड़ा यूट्यूब वगैरह पे हमने डाली और उसी सिलसिले में मिस्टर हेमानंद से हमारी मुलाकात हुई और उन्होंने उसमें पोस्ट वर्क किया था कुछ। इसके बाद उन्होंने कहा हम एक फ़िल्म बना रहे हैं और इसी तरह से बना रहे हैं। हम लोगों में काफ़ी कुछ डिस्कशंस हुए कि क्या बना रहे हैं। कहानी चलती रही, 1 साल तक डिस्कशन होता रहा और बैकग्राउंड हम तलाशते रहे। फिर ये फाइनल हुआ कि चलो आसाम के ऊपर और खासी एक जगह है मेघालय में मैं पहले भी आ चुका हूँ। मैं आया था 1972 में, जब मैं बहुत छोटा था। तब में और अब में तो बड़ा फ़र्क है। फिर हम लोगों ने यहाँ पर विज़िट किया, देखा और डिसाइड कर लिया कि हम मेघालय में खासी लैंग्वेज में फ़िल्म बनाएंगे। और यहाँ की जो स्थानीय लैंग्वेज है, यहाँ के जो लोग हैं, जो मुझे पहले भी एक्सपीरियंस था और जो अब भी हुआ कि बड़े लविंग नेचर के लोग हैं। थोड़ी बहुत टशलबाजी तो उधर उधर चलती होगी, लेकिन हमारी कभी किसी से नहीं हुई। बड़े कोऑपरेटिव लोग हैं। तो ये रहा कि चलो हम खासी में एक फ़िल्म बनाते हैं। यहाँ की कल्चर को लेके बड़ी अजीब जैसे हमारे इंडिया में जितनी जगह आप जाएंगे, जितनी स्टेट्स में जाएंगे, जितनी दूर आप जाएंगे, आपको नई नई चीज़ें मिलेंगी। अरुणाचल है, ये 7 सिस्टर स्टेट्स बोले जाते हैं। तो इसमें हमें खैर यहाँ अपॉर्चुनिटी मिली। यहाँ मिस्टर नॉन स्टेंग्स हमारे से संपर्क में आए कि चलो हम लोग मिलके बनाते हैं। वो यहाँ के डायरेक्टर हैं इस फिल्म के, वो संपर्क में आए। तो हम लोगों ने ये एक बीड़ा उठा लिया कि चलो इस पे हम फिल्म बनाएं। और उसमें मैं फिर को प्रोड्यूसर बन गया, क्योंकि इसमें काफ़ी फंड्स की रिक्वायरमेंट होती है। सब ने इकट्ठा किया और हम को प्रोड्यूसर भी बन गए। और उसके बाद मैंने एक्टिंग का कोर्स किया हुआ था, कुछ एक्टिंग पहले भी की। और इससे पहले मैंने एक हम तीन हमारे तीन के बाद एक मुझे अपॉर्चुनिटी मिली थी आज लिखेंगे कल में। और वो अनुष्का और विराट कोहली के बाद सेकंड लार्जेस्ट क्लिक वाला ऐड बना उस साल में। और वो मेरा एक ऐड आया था आज लिखेंगे कल में, अगर आप लोगों ने देखा हो तो याद होगा। वो बड़ा अच्छा गया, उससे थोड़ा सा और मन आया कि कुछ और अच्छा काम किया जाए। उसके बाद हमारे हेमानंद से जान पहचान हुई और मिस्टर नॉन स्टेंग से हुई, तो हम फिर इस फिल्म से जुड़े और हमने ये काम किया। आप इसमें मुझे देखेंगे एक बैंक मैनेजर, निगेटिव रोल है। इन्होंने कहा एक निगेटिव रोल है, मुझे कोई दिक्कत तो नहीं करने में। भाई रोल तो रोल है, नेगेटिव रोल है या पॉजिटिव है, जैसा है। मैं लाइफ में कैसा हूँ कैसा नहीं, ये अलग चीज़ है। इन्होंने कहा कि आप कर पाएंगे, नेगेटिव रोल है, आपकी पर्सनैलिटी बिल्कुल अलग है। मैंने कहा जी बिल्कुल करूँगा। और जैसा किया है वो आप देखेंगे, आप ही बताएंगे कैसा है वो। देखिए आज पॉपुलेशन बहुत बढ़ गई, काफ़ी वाइड बड़ा हो गया ये और कंजेस्टेड हो गया। पहले तो छोटी छोटी सड़कें भी थी, वो भी काफ़ी थी। पुलिस बाज़ार मुझे याद है बहुत छोटा सा था, वहाँ कुछ दुकानें थी। एक हमने मॉन्यूमेंट लिया था, वो प्लेट थी जिसमें तितलियाँ लगी रहती थी और इस तरह की गिफ्ट आइटम थी, और हमने वो भी ली थी। घूमे फिरे थे, उतना मुझे याद नहीं, क्योंकि 72 में और 2022 में बहुत फ़र्क है। बहुत ज़्यादा टाइम का गैप हो गया। जब हम छोटे से भी थे और बड़े लोगों के साथ आए थे, अपने पेरेंट्स के साथ आए थे, तो जितना मुझे याद रहा मैं बता रहा हूँ। लेकिन उस समय भी अच्छा लगा था। चेरापूंजी गए थे, चेरापूंजी उस समय कुछ भी नहीं था, वहाँ कुछ भी नहीं था, बस जाके खड़ा कर दिया, देखो जी ये चेरापूंजी है। और अब हम गए चेरापूंजी तो वहाँ तो टूरिस्ट स्पॉट बना हुआ है। ये तो फ़र्क आया ही है, पूरे इंडिया में आया है। यहीं क्या पॉपुलेशन इतनी बढ़ गई तो थोड़ा सा तो फ़र्क आया है। देखिए यहाँ पर जितने लोगों ने हमारे साथ काम किया ऑलमोस्ट वो सब नए हैं, और उनको क्योंकि मुझे एक्सपीरियंस था तो मैंने उनको ऐसे कैजुअली थोड़े से टिप्स भी दिए थे। उन्होंने बड़ी जल्दी अडॉप्ट किए, बड़ी जल्दी ग्रास्प किए, और जो रिज़ल्ट आया मूवी का वो आपके सामने। सब ऐसा लगता ही नहीं कि किसी ने कोई नया एक्टर है। अगर आप देखेंगे कोई भी एक्टर इसमें आपको ऐसा नहीं लगेगा कि ये सब नए एक्टर हैं, आपको ये लगेगा सब एक्सपीरियंस्ड हैं। तो ये क्या एक सफलता है, डायरेक्टर की सफलता है, प्रोड्यूसर की है। हम